So we're here in my automobile, and I just got a package from Jeffrey Fonda of PNW Steam Shop. And I'm gonna open this right now for everyone to see on camera. I can figure out the tape. But this is the Santa Fe Rr-56 Reefer that he designed. Sorry, we'll set this over here. Rr-56 Reefer, and I've been waiting for this for a while, and it is really cool. Look at that. Nice artwork on the box, and I'll bring you guys back over here. We'll open it up. Look at that. Stud developer, instruction set by Jeffrey Fonda. Rr-56 mechanical refrigerator. And I know why he did this. Rapido released it. I think the artwork gave him some ideas, because he did the PRR Circle Keystone auto parts box cars from the 40s and 50s, I think. I got my ball bearing wheel sets with the brown wheels. Got a lot of those. And I got the decals from, I think they're from OK Brickworks. They're the stickers, but they're good quality stickers. So anyways, I got one of each scheme. So this one's the El Capitan. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm from Canada, so not a lot of Santa Fe in this part of the world, but I got the Chief, Texas Chief sticker set, San Francisco Chief decal set, and the Super Chief. Look at that one. All Pullman, Chicago to Los Angeles Streamliner. So these are gonna be fun to build. Texas Chief between Chicago and Texas. So yeah, just decals, ball bearing wheel sets. I spilled it. Anyways, I'm excited. I'm really excited for this. Look at that. You got the binded instructions. Look at the back. Look at that artwork. What a good job. Anyways, check out PNW Steam Shop. Established 2015. By purchasing these instructions, you agree to use them only for personal use. They're not to be reproduced, distributed, or sold to any third parties. The model made from these instructions is not to be sold. Understood. The model is 2020-22 circa, and exclusively distributed by PNW Steam Shop. Lego is a trademark of the Lego group of companies, which does not sponsor, authorize, or endorse this instruction book. Choking hazard, contains small parts. Anyways, Santa Fe refrigerator dispatch Rr-56 mechanical refrigerator stud developer instruction set. I'll make a separate video going through the instruction book, and I got the Rapido version of this. I think I got the Texas Chief one, and I'll do a side-by-side when it's built. So thanks for tuning in. Thought I'd show you guys this neat little trinket in the Lego train world that is a new release, and we'll see you on the next one.